Midco Sales has a used Chevy Silverado rollback tow truck in stock at its dealership in Chandler, Arizona. This truck has a Duramax diesel engine with 88,000 miles. The Miller rollback body has a 21-foot steel deck with wheel lift. And at the front of the deck is a Ramsey winch. Toolboxes are mounted on each side of the truck. The interior has a cloth split bench seat, and a backup camera is installed. Visit us online to learn more about this truck or any of our tow truck inventory.